Hi guys, we're back to discuss our latest connectivity options for industrial printers. Last March, we announced Wi-Fi 6 availability.
That's right, Raul. We're excited to announce the release of the latest and greatest technology for the ZT411, the ZT421, the ZT610, and the ZT620 industrial printer lines.
So Sunny, what exactly is Wi-Fi 6?
Great question. It's basically the next generation of Wi-Fi technology, which is also called 802.11ax, and it features enhanced data rates and increased security protocols.
How much faster is it compared to the current 802.11ac offering?
Our Wi-Fi 6 can reach speeds up to 9.6 gigabytes per second, which is almost double that of the AC speeds.
And as far as security goes, what new protocols are supported?
Probably the most important new security protocol is the WPA3 support, which is very important to some organizations' security roadmaps.
Okay, that's great information. It sounds like our reporter on the scene is out and about getting reaction to this breaking news. Let's send it over to our reporter, Stephanie Morgenstern, who is on the scene.
Hi guys, yes, we are live on scene and looking to get reactions to the Wi-Fi 6 announcements we've made. Let's see. Hi Misa, how are you today?
Hi Stephanie, doing great.
We are out looking for reactions to the exciting news around Wi-Fi 6 for our industrial printers. What are your reactions?
Yeah, sure thing. In North America, we're extremely excited about the news. Now at Zebra, we have our entire printer portfolio Wi-Fi 6 ready, which includes our mobile, our desktop, and now industrial model printers as well. Our customers have grown to depend on Zebra to lead with innovative solutions and technology.
What type of customers do you think are interested in this latest technology?
Great question. I think many of our retail customers are extremely interested in Wi-Fi 6 technology, and many other verticals like manufacturing and T&L have also shown interest in the enhancements that Wi-Fi 6 offers.
What have you heard from customers about Wi-Fi 6?
Another great question. Most of our customers are excited about the productivity improvements it affords with the enhanced speeds and security. And let's not forget, better network coverage.
Great, thanks so much, Misa, for your insights. Let's throw it back now to the news desk with Raul and Sunny.
Thanks, Stephanie and Misa. Great information there. So Sunny, this new radio is a combo radio, which also has the next generation of Bluetooth support. What are the benefits of this latest technology?
Yes, so the older AC radio had support for Bluetooth 4.2. Now this new AX combo card supports Bluetooth 5.3, which also has double the data transfer rates and a longer range.
How can customers get this new offering?
So customers can order the AX radio built into a finished printer SKU from the factory, or the radio card can be ordered separately as an aftermarket kit and field upgraded just by sliding it into the option slot on the rear of the printer. For any questions about part number availability or ordering, please reach out to your Zebra representative.
That's great information, Sunny. Let's throw it back to Stephanie, who's in the Zebra Experience Center now with the printers.
Hi, thanks, Raul. Yes, I'm standing here with the printers, and as you can see, we have the new radio installed on the ZT610 and ZT411 printers. Firstly, one of the changes you'll notice is the MIMO antenna setup. This technology provides for enhanced coverage for printer and has multiple antennas versus a single antenna with the older AC radio.
Hi, Stephanie. Yes, the MIMO technology is a great improvement and provides much better coverage. Does it really matter what orientation the antennas are actually placed in?
No, not necessarily. Whatever orientation seems to work best for your application.
I'm sure customers upgrading to this Wi-Fi 6 radio will need to be on the latest and greatest firmware level. Is that correct, Stephanie?
Yes, that's correct. The minimum link-OS version supported is link-OS version 7.2. Lastly, we want to ask the printers what do they think about Wi-Fi 6 technology. The ZT610 appreciates having the latest security protocols, and the ZT411 is excited about the MIMO antennas for excellent coverage. That's it from here in the Zebra Experience Center. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Stephanie. So there you have it, Raul. Wi-Fi 6 is a premium wireless option, providing many productivity benefits. Please log on to zebra.com or reach out to your Zebra representative for more information.
All exciting news. Thank you everybody for your attention, and we'll be seeing you all very soon.
Bye guys.